Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, come on y'all, join the family. We'd be more than happy to have you, so go ahead and push that subscribe button down below. There is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now our video on today, OMG, I'm skeptical yet excited because it's taken so long for me to get mine in, but I'm glad to have it. The skepticism comes in with what's been going on with me and Boxycharm lately. But nonetheless, it's Luxe Box time. Okay, see? So we're going to jump in and see what's in this box. However, before we do that, if you are not familiar with Boxycharm, I will give you all the information down below as to every tier that it comes in and the cost, as well as the minimum manufacturer suggested retail price for each box, the value of each box. Okay, so all right, let's say our quick prayer and let's jump in. Okay, it's been a long time since I've had a Luxe box this size or this shape, really. So of course our description card, same as the premium box for this month, and it is Dare to Dazzle. All right, and whew, so the first item that I have, the NARS blush, and this one is the cult favorite, best-selling blush that delivers a weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek color in matte, satin, and shimmery finishes. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $30. The expiration date is 24 months. And the shade that we have is Orgasm. Okay. Oh, I love NARS packaging. This is so nice. Okay, here we go. This is a little light for me, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to swatch it. Let's just see. But it is beautiful. It is, well, I can't put it in the giveaway. I've opened it. All right, let's go ahead and swatch. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. It has a nice little shimmery flex in it. Can you see that? Let me use a brush. What you think? Yeah, see. Ooh, it's nice. It's a little light for me, but it's nice. So let's see what happens with this one. Okay, and that is item number 1. And then the next item that I have, I didn't choose this, I promise I didn't. That item is a brush set, and it's by Luxe, and this is the Florals brush set. The difference with this one is it features 4 new brushes and a sponge, and it comes in this beautiful purple carrying case, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $40. So let's just, oh, nice. Oh, here we go. There's our sponge, and here are our brushes. Now you know you can't go wrong with Luxe brushes. They're good every time. every time. It has an actual eyeliner brush in there. Look at that. Okay. Yes and yes. Y'all know. You already know. I'm so here for brushes. Now, you know, I would kind of say I really don't. This is a shade of brushes that I do not have, believe it or not. I don't have this color. I have a lime green, but I certainly do not have this one. But nonetheless, very, very nice. That's item number 2. And item number 3 is by Avant. I apologize for the horn. I have no control, y'all. But this is the Avant Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. This is a lip serum designed to simultaneously plump and nourish the lips. Hyaluronic acid works to intensely hydrate, plump, and balance moisture levels without feeling sticky. Lactic acid contributes to lightening the pigmentation and nourishing the lips effectively. Now, I do like the things that it does, all except for the plumping part. Y'all know I don't need a lip plumper, but I'm wondering if it would kind of, you know, enhance so that the lines on my lips are not so noticeable. Don't know for sure, but we shall see. So I do like the claims that are here. However, I don't want to open it yet because it might go into a giveaway. I'm not sure how I feel about that plumping thing. I have to see how some others that have used the product, what their plumped up lips look like, okay, before I'll even say that I'll, you know, use it. So I will show you, this is what the packaging looks like, but that's about it. I'm not going any further just in case it has to go in a giveaway. Now it does have a 6-month shelf life. So, okay, there we go. So then let's move right along. I'm sorry, did I tell you that the price of this is $122? I'm sorry. That just kind of threw me for a loop right there. But okay, moving on nonetheless. The next item that I have is by First Aid Beauty. And this is the Pure Skin Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser with amino acids. Okay, and it says lifts away dirt, oil, and debris, safe for sensitive skin. All right, it is a 4.5 fluid ounce size, and it does come with a pump. Okay, I'm here for this. Let's see what kind of shelf life we have. 12 months. Okay, with a 12-month shelf life, I do have a few of their products, which I haven't opened yet. So maybe I'll do a whole skincare regimen with that so I can see how that works out for me. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $22. Okay, then the next item I have is by Dr. Brandt, and this is the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream, and it visibly smooths wrinkles and helps prevent signs of aging. All right, it is a 1.7 fluid ounce size. I love Dr. Brandt products. You know I do. I talk about them quite often. Okay, and it says it hydrates, it smooths, and it soothes irritation. And it says to apply on clean skin AM and PM. It's good for all skin types, and it has a 12-month shelf life. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $64. Now, according to this is a new launch for the Dr. Brandt line. Okay, nice. So we'll try it out and see. Love me some Dr. Brandt. Then the next item that I have is Smith French Dublin Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. This invigorating hand wash is power-packed with uplifting essences, lovingly made in Ireland and enriched with locally sourced ingredients. It helps to clear the mind, energize, and inspire. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $25. It's a 16.9 fluid ounce size. And let's see, it has a 12-month shelf life. Now, I'm absolutely fine with this product being in my box because I will admit it, I know that I am a germaphobe. Let me tell you something. I have no problem with an item like this. Here for it. Thank you very much. Okay, we're down to the last two. This is the item that I chose, okay? And this is the Boxyluxe Sassy Luxe Bundle. It says, get ready to ditch your glue. Don't have to worry about that because I don't use glue. I'm allergic to it. On lashes for good and level up your lash game with a curated collection just for you. The bundle includes Sassy 5 Mag Lash, mini black magnetic liner, remover swabbies, and a zipper pouch to keep your Moxie Lash products organized for home or travel. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $90. $90. Now, I chose this item, as you know, I very almost never wear lashes. And the reason that I don't is because I am allergic to the glue or the adhesive. And so I don't want to take any chances, you know. I'm not exactly sure what it is. That was a challenge for me. I will link that video up here, but I will warn you ahead of time, it is a little graphic. So just be careful, okay? So let's take a look and see what the Sassy Lash looks like. Okay, I'm here for this because it's not super dramatic, but it is very nice. How about that? These are really nice. And it says 100% mink lashes, 30 reusable all-day wear, handcrafted with care. And there are directions to tell you exactly how to do it. Now, I did do a magnetic lash video previously, but it certainly was not this brand. But if you'd like to see that one, I'll link that one as well, okay? And it gives you a mini liquid lash eyeliner, all right? And it also gives you a 30 count of the swabs. Here they are, okay? For easy removal of Moxie Lash magnetic eyeliner, pre-moistened olive and castor oil cotton swabs. Okay, when it's time to try it, maybe we'll do it online as well, okay? So that's the next item. And our last item is a palette. And this is the Ciate London I Am a Woman palette. And it says a stunning range of 24 complimentary eyeshadows named after amazing women throughout history who inspire us. Create an array of eyeshadow looks and feel ready to take on the day with this empowering palette. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $45, and this too is a new launch. So let's just check it out and see. And here's the inside, looks just like the outside. Oh, but it's beautiful. Yes, it does have a full-size mirror. Oh, look at these shades. Let me cover up the mirror so you can see. Look at that. How about that? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's just swatch. I usually don't read off all of the shade names, but I'm going to tell you these. It says, well, I'll give you a couple of them. Rosa Parks is on here. Madam C.J. Walker, Claudette Colvin, Amelia Earhart, Hattie McDaniels, Cleopatra, Joan of Arc, Harriet Tubman, Ella Fitzgerald, Betsy Coleman, and the list goes on and on. Nice. Very, very nice. I love these purples. I love the neutrals, and oh, this is going to be amazing. You could actually take this, although it's very, very large, this you could take with you and do an array of looks from one palette, just one. Let's see, we're gonna swatch Cleopatra. We're going to swatch Hattie McDaniel. And let's see, Maya Angelou. Here are these three shades right here. Let's see. Look at that. In all honesty, I really didn't expect anything less than when it comes from Ciate London. Their palettes have great color payoff. Well, I have to admit, this is a Luxe box that I did not mind getting at all. It was worth the wait. Look, we're already at the end of the month and I'm just now receiving it, but I will tell you, yes, it was worth the wait. I really liked everything that came in this month's Luxe box. It almost makes up for the previous mess, but they still got to fix that. They still have to fix that. But nonetheless, this was an amazing Luxe box this month. This is what I'm talking about. This is like Boxycharm's Luxe boxes were when they first started. I really like this. Okay, woohoo! How about that? Okay, so I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our June Boxycharm Luxe box, okay? These are the items that are enclosed, and down below you will see the total manufacturer's suggested retail price for all the products that were enclosed. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,